In my last video, we talked a bit about water. We measured several samples for hardness and pH. We decided to taste coffee using the waters with extreme hardness results, as pH was pretty similar for all of them. And you may have noticed in my tasting notes, the coffee brewed with Barista Hustle water tasted the most interesting. We liked it the best. So let me show you how to make this water. We'll make 3 solutions. First, 1 liter of a buffer solution, then 1 liter of a hardness solution, and then 1 liter of pH water, which is a mix of buffer and hardness solutions with DI water. This time I want to taste chamomile. I expected to notice some differences, between DI and tap and Barista Hustle water, but it was crazy how different they were. You can see it, you can taste it, you'll see what I mean. BH water chamomile tasted like normal chamomile tea. It was delicious. Distilled water chamomile tasted like hot water. Chamomile was not extracted well due to the lack of minerals. Tap water chamomile tasted like I just jumped into a swimming pool. Lots of chlorine. That's what you get when you don't filter your water. We also tasted coffee that I recently roasted. I brewed it the way I normally drink my coffee this time around. We also use filtered water instead of tap water, since that's what we will normally do anyway, and it's clear that tap water sucks. And just like before, we liked the BH water the best. Filtered water was serviceable, I have to say.